Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Prince of PJVC back at it again for another video. This time we are going to lube the glorious Holy Panda switches and test it out with my 2020 endgame keyboard setup. Though I want to order the drop Holy Pandas, but I was tired of waiting. So I checked the local store and found these awesome tactile switches, which is the glorious Holy Pandas. So let's start with the lubing process and of course later a typing sound test.
Bad mother. Bad mother.
For the lube, I will be using the Krytox 205 grade 0 and just apply a thin lube on the bottom housing, spring and of course the stem. Since this is a tactile switch, I highly recommend not to lube the legs of the stem so the tactility will remain. I know some lube it, but I tried it before and the tactility feels become linear. So this time, I really want to feel the tactility, that is why I will carefully lube the stem without touching the legs. It's time to remove the switches that is installed in my setup, which is the Gateron KS3 black switches. It is a linear switch, lubed and filmed. I will also upload a video comparison of the KS3 black and a glorious Holy Panda. By the way, my current setup, for the case I have the Tofu 60% E-White by KVD fans, my PCB DC60 RGB, ANSI, the version 1 also by KVD fans, and a polycarbonate plate which is a custom made plate by a friend. And now we are done with everything. It's time to do the typing sound test. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button below so you will get notified to my future uploads. Once again, it's your boy Prince of PJVC. Happy New Year everyone. See you. Bye bye. Peace.